Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to share some information about the Printify and Adidas product launch. The link to it is given in the description below. So let's get started. Let me tell you what is Printify. Printify is a print-on-demand platform established in 2015 that provides a powerful solution for entrepreneurs, artists, and small businesses looking to sell custom merchandise without managing the complexities of inventory, production, or shipping logistics. The platform connects users with a global network of print providers, allowing them to create and sell various custom products, including clothing, accessories, home decor, and more. How Printify works. Operating on a dropshipping model, Printify automates the entire process of order fulfillment. When a customer places an order, Printify handles everything, from printing the design onto the chosen product to shipping it directly to the customer. This eliminates the need for sellers to hold any physical inventory, making Printify a low-risk, scalable option for anyone entering the e-commerce space. One of Printify's most attractive features is its user-friendly interface. Even those with little to no technical expertise can easily navigate the platform. Its intuitive mock-up generator allows users to create and visualize their product designs, positioning artwork on products, and previewing them before listing for sale. Additionally, Printify integrates seamlessly with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, and others. This integration allows easy synchronization of products, orders, and inventory, streamlining the entire process from product creation to order fulfillment. For new users, Printify offers a guided setup, walking them through connecting their store, creating products, and managing orders. With extensive resources available in the Help Center, including tutorials, FAQs, and customer support, troubleshooting is made easy. So, who is Printify suitable for? Printify is ideal for a wide range of users, from independent artists and entrepreneurs to established online stores seeking to diversify their product offerings. For small business owners, Printify provides a cost-effective way to experiment with new product ideas without the financial risks associated with traditional manufacturing. As users only pay for products when a sale is made, there is no need for upfront investments in stock, making it a low-risk venture for those entering or expanding in the e-commerce space. A significant development for Printify is its partnership with Adidas, allowing users to sell custom-branded Adidas products through the platform. This collaboration appeals to sellers looking to leverage the prestige of the Adidas brand to attract more customers and increase sales. Adidas is globally recognized for its high-quality sportswear and apparel, and by partnering with Printify, users can offer custom-designed Adidas products without holding inventory. However, there are specific guidelines that must be followed when selling Adidas products on Printify. While users can use the Adidas brand name in product listings, they cannot incorporate the Adidas logo or other trademarked elements into their designs. This means that all customizations must consist of original designs, and no Adidas branding can be included in the actual product design. These restrictions ensure compliance with intellectual property laws and prevent customers from being misled into thinking they are purchasing official Adidas merchandise. This partnership offers a unique opportunity for sellers to boost sales by offering well-known, high-quality products while maintaining full creative control over custom designs. If you're interested in trying out Printify, you can find the link in the description below.